Hi guys, I want to bring you guys a quick video regarding this really exciting program. It's called Multiple Income Funnel, okay? So this is an autopilot system. If you're looking to make some money online, whether you're digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or even just getting started for the first time, I know it's the holidays, money's running a little low for some of us, but this is a huge opportunity right now. So this is a simple done for you system. And it literally is where you have a whole full funnel system done and built for you with automated emails, with landing pages, with videos, with content, with multiple income streams. There's 4 of them total, okay? With an autopilot system that once you set up, they do the selling, they do the telling, you put your affiliate links in there, and with whatever levels you unlock, if you sign up for these different income streams, you get paid. So you can see the video yourself here. This is actually our landing page, and you can take advantage of the program and build your own. So inside the multiple income funnel, you're going to see this. You're going to get a video. He's going to explain. They're going to explain exactly how to set everything up. Okay, Mac Mills. Straightforward setup. It's pretty much done. You literally just go step 1, watch the video, right? Join the Facebook group, okay? Step 2, you're gonna set up your multiple income streams, okay? So you can see income stream number 1 is actually the multiple income funnel itself. So the membership for a website, funnel system, automation is all included at a $50 a month fee, okay? So if you think about a web hosting service for a website, if you think about basically a domain, setting up hosting, setting up email systems, getting an email platform, all these things is all going to cost you money. For $50 all in, it's pretty ridiculous, let's be honest, okay? So you're getting that. Now you're also going to be an affiliate for the program. So that means if you sign people up, which you will, if you do everything right here, if you take action, you get a $20 commission per sign up that signs up under your link in the system. Okay. Like I said, it's all automation. So that's recurring, $20 recurring for every new user you sign up. That's powerful. Okay. Recurring income is powerful. Another stream is called Easy One Up. Easy One Up is a platform you can utilize to make anywhere between $25 to $2,000 per sale, okay? My business partner and I have had success with this platform. It is nice to wake up with $2,000 sales, USD, but you can also make 1,000, you can also make 500, 250, 100, 25. But we want to unlock the highest amounts possible to make $1,000 per sale or 2,000. So that's income stream number 2. So you do need to invest in this income stream. Easy One Up has been around for a few years now. It's an online training program. You can learn about different strategies to market yourself online. It also allows you to unlock 100% commission with the Easy One Up program. So it's your business. You get ownership and the rights to sell Easy One Up. Once you plug in at the 1,000, the 2,000, or even 500, you can make commissions up to that level. The reason why I always recommend that 1,000 and 2,000 is it's nicer to wake up to $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day. It's more life-changing. Obviously, more money to invest right now. So if you have the funds, great. Get in at the 1,000, 2,000. The $1,000 and $2,000 level also comes with some coaching and mentoring. So we'll get on 2 calls with you, one-on-one, and questions in between, how to set up everything, how to set up your back office if you need, how to get started on YouTube, Facebook, social media, or even some questions, right? Some questions of where we get all of our solo ads done and email campaigns done. All right, so that will include our guidance for you at the 1K, $2,000 level just for joining in as a bonus, okay? But it is nice to wake up with $2,000 sales, let me tell you. But Easy One Up, been around for a while. That's income stream number 2. Income stream number 3 is a product called TextBot, which looks a lot like this. and it's a program. It's a AI system called Ava, and essentially allows you to automatically answer incoming phone calls, generate hot qualified leads for your business, automatically answer questions via text message, puts your whole business on the back end on automation through text and phone calls, which is super, super nice, which you can integrate to any business. And you can get paid out $100 per sale with that on automation with a multiple income funnel. Okay. Obviously, you have to purchase in at $100, but that is a nice income stream to open up for you so that you can make $100 sales as well. In addition, right? Now, there's also an Ava Plus, which is a little bit more advanced, but you can make, I believe, up to 500. I'm only on the standard Ava. If you guys want to get into the Ava Plus, go for it. And you can get up to that even higher commissions there. But my mainstream here is the easy one up. $1,000, $2,000 commissions are a nice day, okay? Income stream number 4 is Traffic Authority, which is a solo ad campaign program, okay? So you can buy solo traffic, because basically in this platform, you want to get people into your sales funnel right here. So you're going to have your own version of this. There's going to be variations of this capture page here, right? So you can choose which one you want, right? You can choose which one you want, and then essentially use that to trigger the sales, okay? And capture the leads. And once they lead in, you get them in your pipeline. You get the automated emails, and the automatic emails are going to be integrated just after Christmas, okay? So this is very exciting. So this is a brand new platform. That's why we didn't see a lot of action on my dashboard yet, is because we've been using a previous funnel system, but this is the upgraded new replacement, and it's doing extremely well. People are making thousands and thousands of dollars already. So if you guys are ready to take action on this, make sure you guys sign up. I'm going to have the links in the description below underneath this video. But yeah, one more thing is you're going to set up something called e-wallet as well, so you can get paid. And then you're going to have a back office where you can see all the leads coming in, all the people joining your business. It's getting sunny over here. Bear with me. Getting sunny, getting litty over here today. All right, guys. So that's pretty much all I want to say today. Oh yeah, income stream number 4, you get paid out per level that people buy solo ads. So solo ads are essentially email ad campaigns, right? So let's say you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy some solo traffic here. You need traffic to get into your funnel, right? So you can buy, these are expert email marketers that have a hot list of people that want to make money online programs, right? They want to start their online business. They want to get started making some passive income, aggressive income, whatever you want to call it. And this is a great high quality traffic source, okay? So you can buy in at the basic package at $220, $440, $660. And the thing is, once you buy the package, it unlocks that income stream. So if you buy your first set of solo ads for $220, anyone that signs up for your funnel here and decides to utilize Traffic Authority, which most likely they will, and they buy that basic package, you already bought your basic package the first time, you can get a commission on that as well, okay? So you're gonna make commission on all these packages here, which is built right into the system, which, like I said, simple, easy, and can be a game changer. But you guys gotta get started early on these things, okay? So if you guys are ready to take action, start making, waking up to $1,000, $2,000, $500, even $25 a day per sale, then take action. But yeah, I'm gonna have the link. I'm gonna have the link below. in the bio so you guys can get signed up and get started. Like I said, anyone getting in at the $1,000, $2,000 level, myself and my business partner, we're going to get on a call with you, help you. We're not going to run away. We're going to be here to support you. If you don't know anything about marketing at all, we're still going to support you, and we can teach you things about YouTube, personal branding, Facebook, organic traffic, all that stuff as well. In addition, on our calls, okay? Whatever you want to learn, if we know about it, we're going to give you the information. If we don't know about it, we'll find the resources. All right. So this is David Wynn, August University. And make sure you guys take advantage of this opportunity with multiple income funnel. Okay. Multiple income funnel system, and utilizing TextBot, Easy Win Up, and all the other income streams. Start making some money. All right. If you guys need help, comment below if you need some support or have any questions. And make sure you like this video, subscribe to August University, and I'll see you guys in the next video.